I want to start off with Manappuram and Muthoot with a disclaimer, of course, that Reuters yesterday spoke about this piece during market hours and the stocks had fallen a bit. But multiple media outlets are reporting this, that RBI has written an advisory note to few gold loan NBFCs, and they've asked the NBFCs not to not to exceed the cash disbursement limit, and therefore no NBFC should disburse a loan amount in excess of 20,000 rupees. This is as per various media reports. The point I'm making is that because there's so much of reportage, you might well see maybe some more reaction here. But if you look at the intraday of a Manappuram, like there, that sharp dip that you see probably already accounted for a bit yesterday. However, if the stocks fall further, you should know why they are correcting. It's because of this news flow that is around Manappuram and Muthoot and everybody that is into gold loan financing. So bear that in mind. Speaking of news flow, positive news flow, Bank of Baroda. RBI has lifted the curbs on Bank of Baroda's Bob World app with immediate effect. Bank will resume onboarding customers to the Bob World app. Now, this, RBI actions typically take between 12 to 18 months or what have you, but when they are off, it should be a positive. This should be construed both as a sentimental positive as well as an actual positive for Bank of Baroda, and therefore I wouldn't be surprised if there is a reaction on Bank of Baroda in the session today. So that's to be watched out for. And then we move to results. Samina spoke about a couple. I want to speak about one for now, and then we'll move on to some of the others too. But I thought amongst a lot of mid-sized companies which came out of the results, and some positive, some negative, the one that stood out for me the most was Kirloskar Oil Engines. Their Q4 numbers, revenues were up 20% at 1,660 crores versus 1,384 crores. So 20% is a good number. But then look below that revenue number and the operating numbers. So the margins were up 450 basis points at 18.23% versus 13.72%. That's a big jump on that base, really, 450 basis points for Kirloskar Oil, and as a result of which the net profit was up 86% at 147 crores versus 79 crores, circa 79 crores. So I would suspect that, Samina, this stock could actually have a very positive reaction in the session today.